I can only get the actual suction part.
Oh, it's in several pockets. It's this part. In the main, the sideways one. The big one.
Okay, now what are these things called?
No.
What?
What are these things called?
They're like
Space racks.
they're like oh yeah, but
You're tucking your scarf in it.
Scarf is going too. Wouldn't that be funny?
you think I could put a pillow in here too?
Oh, definitely.
A pillow?
You can fit that blanket.
Like a down one? Yeah. No, that's too thick. It'll definitely mess with you.
Is that a feather pillow?
Too.
Oh, I am.
No. Well,
I'm so excited for this.
I think you can fit another pillow.
I think you can.
I don't think so.
Why not?
fit some one.
Does the directions say I'm not
Let's stick Hope in one of them. Uh-oh, she broke it.
I'm gonna break it. I just got a feather stuck in it. Might be too wide of a load, you guys.
Somebody has to sit on it.
I will. No!
I was gonna say, I got this. I'm heavy. We're just like sitting and watching. You're doing the work.
How does it feel to have everybody staring at you?
Okay, we're ready.
Great.
Alright.
This explodes out.
Let's do this.
I feel like we're on an infomercial.
This one will be like the dud out of
Does it feel like we're on an infomercial or something?
I do.
Tyler.
Oh my goodness.
Well, there it is, you guys.
Holy crap.
The end.
That is amazing.
This concludes the blanket.